Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can load custom fonts in Photopea. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in Photopea and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the left side of your screen, you're going to find all of the sections. Here in the center of your screen, you're going to find new project, open from computer, templates, and install Photopea. Go ahead and click on new project. Then right here, once you click on new project, you're going to find the option to choose a name for your project. Right here, you can select the width and also the height and DPI for your project. And right here in the bottom, as you can see guys, you can choose a size for your image. Here, you're going to find social, print, photos, create mobile ads, and so on. So right now, I'm going to go to screen, and then I'm going to select, for example, this size, and then I'm going to click on create. So once you create, as you can see, guys, you're going to be right here. Here in the left side of your screen, you're going to find all of the tools that you will need in order to customize your image. So right now, if you want to add a text, just go ahead and click on type tool. Then just click anywhere and then type anything that you want. For example, I'm going to type tutorial and then I'm going to change the size of it. So go ahead and select it. And then you can go here to the top. You're going to find size and you can make it bigger or smaller. And if you want to change the font, just go here to the top. You're going to find your current font. And if you click on it, right here, you're going to find all of the available fonts. Right here, you're going to find local fonts. And if you click on load fonts, you can upload a font from your computer. Once you do it, you're going to find this right here. And you can just select it from here. And then you're going to be able to use it. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.